A fly buzzed by. It was late in the day, and he was lost. So he flew to a frog playing a trombone that was sitting alone, and he asked the frog which way to town. The frog didn't understand the way the jazz fly talked. The fly flew to a hog jumping, playing a trumpet. He stayed clear of the mud to keep his black tux nice, and asked the hog which way to town. The hog answered. The fly saw a donkey playing a piano, big and grand, so he flew to ask for a hand. The donkey began to play. At last the fly flew to a dog playing a bass. One more time, he asked. Plucked the dog right away. She pointed her bow to say, "Go that way." The jazz fly flew down the alley, right through the door. He saw fancy waiters creeping all across the floor. All of the people had gathered to hear the show. The fly tugged at his sleeves, strolled to his drums, twirled around his sticks, and counted off a song. The fly was jammin', not scammin', but swimmin' like a salmon. But then, the boss of the club sat down with a huff.
You sound great, but that's not enough. I want a new beat, or you're out on your feet.
The fly recalled the sounds he had heard that day. He mixed them all up in a brand new way. The joint was hopping and bopping on the floor. They never heard a sound like this before.